What's up, Digibyte holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Once again, I'm present with another latest update of Digibyte DGB coin. What's going on in this time in the DGB coin? What's the price change? What's the price of the DGB coin in this video? I will share all updates, all news about DGB coin. Just keep watching this video till the end. And before starting this video, please, I request everyone to please click the subscribe button. Also, like this video, my friends. My friends, the currently latest price of the DGB coin is 0.04 USD dollar. 0.04 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Digibyte, my friends. Furthermore, if we talk about the market cap, 24 hours trading volume, available supply, total supply of the DGB coin, so this change is going good. This change is going good, my friends. Let me show you the price changes of the DGB coin. Wow, my friends, that's another good news for all DGB coin holders, that the price change is also going good. 1.73%. The last 1 hour price change is positive, my friends. So the last 1 hour price change is going good. The previous 24 hours to last 1 week price change is occurs in the DGB coin as negative. The previous change of the Digibyte is negative, and now the currently latest price change of the DGB coin is going good. I'm personally feeling very good. Wow, my friends, the price chart tell us that my friends, that the previous time is a bad time of the DGB coin, but now the current situation is going good. You can see here, and this time they start pumping, and you know what, my personal prediction is that they will continue this pump for a long time, my friends. And I also, my technical analysis tells us that the price of the DGB coin will pump in the last of June. In the last of June, there is a lot of possibilities the price will pump. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about DGB coin? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.